do get underway. Okay, for the morning, everyone. And have a great spot with you.
Oh yeah! Going through my head like a jet plane, going with the lights on. Turns out it started with a fight tonight. See me in the car going right to your door. 5 minutes later, I'm down on the floor. Thought my name was Reggae, better pawn it in, babe. Listen to your mama tell you how to behave. Filling up every cup. Drink it all bottoms up. Always end up on top.
Now, I'll tell you this right now.
What's that?
This is where Harry had his Thames French experience.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are so honored to have you back. Well, we are on the island once again, and we hope you enjoyed the adventure that we're about to have because we absolutely loved it. All right, weather update.
Snow.
Snow.
Full on snow. Oh, wow. Okay, so destination update.
Yeah, so we were kind of getting a little worried about the weather and the mountain pass we had to go through. But on top of that, we had now noticed that there is a like 100 to 130 kilometer an hour wind warning for that area. So anything we would need for shelter would be pretty hard to tie down in those kind of winds. So we've decided to turn around, go to like a more protected area, see what we can find. And then if that weather alert is lifted, we may go back to our original destination that we want to go to. So as of right now, we're turning around. It's all good, whether we're here, there, or anywhere, as long as we're with our friends, it's cool. So it's going to be fun no matter where we end up. But the adventure is going to for sure continue because we don't exactly know what's going on. So we'll keep you posted as it goes.
Excellent.
See you guys when we hit the dirt. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we got turned around at the Sayward area because of some wind warnings. It was supposed to go up to 130 kilometers an hour, I believe.
I think so, yeah.
Roughly, between 100 and 130. And we kind of thought as a group, that's just a little much. So we headed back a little South Island a bit, and now we've just hit the dirt. And we're in the
snow.
The wind's starting, even though we're away from that area. But, whoa.
Yeah, right there.
Hey guys. But yeah, so you obviously saw we're with Backroad Journals, and now we're in a snowstorm.
It's going to be great.
It's going to be an awesome adventure. You guys don't want to miss this. See ya.
Yeah, the trees are moving pretty good.
Yep.
It's a pretty lake, especially with the snow on it.
Yeah, that is kind of cool.
Why continue on these roads?
Yeah, I was thinking if we could tuck in there
Yeah.
and totally hide from the wind a bit.
Does that sound okay?
Yeah, it's good for me. Yeah, we're just going to have to go on a good hunt for some wood. We're going to need it. Oh, did she?
I think she did. Yeah, she's
Okay.
good on that.
Is she? Awesome. Well, because I was just thinking before I set up, if we find a log that we need to pull, I can pull it with the truck.
We'll just walk in and see what
Yeah, I would say so, yeah. Oh, perfect. That's cool. I was just telling Holger, because before I set up, I was like, maybe I should...
Whoa.
Plus, then add some to that by the ocean.
Yeah. Did you guys want to tuck here? I'll tuck there. Does that work?
I have no idea, honestly, where it's going to be. I mean, we can keep going. There's a lot more wreck sites around. So we can
Okay.
keep going.
Maybe if we try to find a spot that has, like, if we're on that side of the lake where the trees are sort of in front of us.
Yeah.
If not, we know this is here.
Icy underneath, eh?
It is, yeah. I went around that one corner thinking nothing of it, but I'm still at 40 psi, and I was like, ooh, and I.
I'll keep shining over you all with your wings entwining. You better face the fall. Zero.
Do we want to go up here?
What's that? To us? I don't know. It depends where you guys parking here.
We've camped here before. A year ago almost. Without snow.
This is amazing.
Beautiful, though.
Wasn't that just a beautiful drive?
Dude, I'm sorry I was holding you up.
No, that's
We weren't even filming. I was just looking.
We figured you're just trying to get us out of the film.
No.
No.
It actually ended up working out that way, but that wasn't the intent at all. It's over here, yeah.
There's a fire pit there.
Yeah.
There's a log.
I'm going to have to go in
Now,
there.
I'll tell you this right now.
What's that?
This is where Harry had his Sim Scrimps experience.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's exciting.
I think he was on the other side though.
Oh, really? Well, I'm pretty sure they wander. And then I'm going to get some power set for you.
Oh, get the mattress, the bedding going?
Well, you don't have to. I want it ready for when you're ready.
No. Makes sense to do it. Now listen for tree knocks. Do you want me to put the heating blanket down?
It's already getting solid. What's that?
Are we putting the heating blanket in right away?
No, it's kind of a safety measure.
It's raining.
We're in the rain now.
Yep. The snow has turned to rain.
Yeah, I saw that earlier too.
That's a. I don't think my.
No, not this guy. I thought something had come down here, but
I see what
I
you're
just
saying.
looked at it at the wrong angle. But this guy right there that's leaning over.
Which one? Point?
Oh no, that's so actually. Yeah.
There is actually. So obviously all of us knew it's a very good chance it's going to get chilly tonight. So that sent us into the forest looking for some dry-ish wood, I guess we can call it that. Normally when you go around and pick up wood, as everybody knows, if it's light, it's dry, you bring it back. The rain-soaked snow kind of made that a little tough.
Is there
So
more?
we did our best on picking and choosing, and we're going to have to deal with whatever consequences we get. Now, having said that, between the four of us, we had a limited amount of dry wood that we brought. So it's not like we can just grab anything. We got to be kind of picky about what we take.
Okay, the search for firewood begins. Hello. Good job.
It's all bucked up.
Do you want me to chop?
I can chop.
I can chop.
Just gonna have a drink. I'm even gonna chop up those smaller ones a bit.
Are they really, really wet?
I don't know. I think we're gonna need more wood than this too.
Oh, absolutely. We're going to need more. At least this is kind of turning back to snow, which is good.
Yeah.
Guess I never really showed everybody the lake. Let's go see. The frozen lake. Very pretty. And this is camp. Is it nice and cold?
It feels cold. Everything feels cold right now. Hey, Walt. Yeah. A little bit of kindling here. Yeah, no problem. So we get this going.
So far, my feet aren't wet. I'm surprised. The rain jackets feel wet, but they're actually.
Just the cold, I think.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, the twisting, that's why.
Oh, maybe.
I think we might have, maybe.
This has been the hardest fire to start ever.
Truly has.
Well, we are back to full-on rain. I can feel heat though now, Michelle.
Yes, that's
Yes, there is heat. I think we got it, finally.
Need to keep it fed.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to a very, very chilly Vancouver Island. We're up north. We wanted to go to a place today that Holger and Michelle have been trying to get us to for quite a while. And there's this extreme, you've heard us talk about, there's this extreme wind warning and everything else. So we backtracked a little bit and we're at this beautiful lake. But we've been dealing with winds, snow, freezing rain, everything except pretty much sun. But it hasn't dampened our spirits. We love hanging out with these guys and this has been a great day. It was truly actually an adventure when we were coming in. We didn't know what we were gonna find. We didn't know where we were gonna stay. And we found this spot and yeah, it's cold. We've been trying to get the fire going. Everything's wet, obviously. But we got a cool little camp that I would just show you guys. I'm just walking around in the snow, so here we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to pan you up though. See, Joanna usually does this, guys. Holger and Michelle are all set up. They have their diesel heater, tarp to keep the freezing rain off. And then we, coming down, we got the pop-up tents, awning. The girls are working on the fire. It's been tough to get gold. Sorry, it's been tough to get going. It's been absolutely amazing, and I think the only thing we need to do is get this fire to get that good bed of coals, but melting the snow and everything else. It's been a little tough getting it going, but everybody's been working on it and it's starting to go. We're starting to actually make some progress and it's gonna be amazing. So anyways, Michelle and Joanna have been on it. The fire's starting to look amazing, and we'll catch up with you in a bit. Take care, guys.
Where are you?
What?
Oh, there you are. Do you need more light?
Nope.
Well, that's ironic. Did you put that can there, or is that the one I dropped and didn't go pick up?
It's the one you dropped. Putting that down.
Perfect.
With those.
Yay.
Do we need to take anything off the table and put it in here tonight?
Should we, or is it okay to stay there? It's fine if it's just bedding and your call. If it should go, then it's ready to go.
I will take the kitchen room pantry. That should go away. Oh.
It's getting.
Waterfall.
I know. The whole back is.
Bedding.
That's not going to go anywhere.
No.
Oh, it's snowing again.
That's what you were saying. It's snowing again. Yeah, it sure is. Oh, you were covered in snow.
Covered in snow.
Okay, so we had a campfire hot dog.
It was delicious, by the way.
Absolutely delicious. We have just started up the diesel heater, and I think we'll give it about
For this one?
Give it about half an hour, and I'm going to have to tip out between being up at 3 a.m. and not cold, but it's like that damp. So I think I'm ready to go get warm. Snow. Is it snowing again?
Yeah, snowing.
So we've had like stupid amounts of rain. And now
Actually, no, it was more of a blizzard before.
yes.
And then it changed to rain, and then went to freezing rain, and then it's rain, and then now it's snow again.
Now it's snow again. So yeah. It's been an amazing adventure with some amazing people. And we're
I wouldn't change it for the world. I love it.
And we're going to say goodnight for now, and we'll catch you in the morning. Thanks for watching.
See you in the morning, guys. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Well, that was a chilly afternoon. Evening was fine because we had the diesel heater. But unfortunately, we didn't film a lot yesterday due to that. I had the camera out for a little bit trying to show the cam. My hands were just freezing.
And then the rain.
Yeah.
When it was raining, it was raining.
And there was ice rain, and then we turned to snow, then back to... So pretty much, we went through all of our coats. We had to fire up the truck and heat everything up. Dry it off a bit, I should say. But it was still an amazing time. But unfortunately, we didn't film as much as we'd like to. But we hope you got the gist of this beautiful place.
This place is stunning. Like, just look at...
Take
and
it.
this lake is insane.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. The campsite was great. It was a little tricky getting set up. I don't know if Joanne got that on film with the vehicles sliding around while we're trying to get positioned.
Not on the GoPro, but we can try and get off my phone.
Yeah, maybe we'll get that. Put it in there for you. It was, it's that wet BC snow that, I shouldn't say BC because up north it's a little more powdery.
Yeah.
Southern BC snow, where as soon as you drive on it, just turns to ice. But
Yeah. So today,
we're moving on.
we're moving on. We're going to pack up. I'm not sure if we're going to take the time to make a coffee or just grab one somewhere.
You'll
But-
find out with us
Yeah.
as we go.
As
We
we
just, like
go.
you said, everybody's just waking up now and moving around, so we haven't really created a plan, but once we do, we'll keep
fill
you
you
guys
in.
in touch. Keep you guys in touch. Fill you in, like she said. Don't listen to me. See you guys in a bit.
So hey guys, I just wanted to take a second and thank you all for joining us on our adventures, for tuning in, for all your support. If you're new to the channel, watching us for the very first time, we really, really appreciate it, and we hope that you enjoy our content and you go down below and hit that sub button. We are having so much fun. It's been challenging weather-wise, but man, we sure do love to do this. So again, thank you all so very much for tuning in. We appreciate you.
Well guys, it wouldn't be an FLM video without some audio issues now, would it? So I'm going to explain what's going on here. You remember that weather we were talking about where I said we were getting freezing rain, rain, snow, freezing rain? Well, it's created a lot of complex layers. Now, Holger knows where he wants to go, but he's kind of on a little hump here. So he's got a downslope to his right and a downslope to his left. So it became a little troublesome slope-wise, but once he found that sweet spot, he climbed right out of there. So now I'll just get my truck turned around and we will see what the conditions on the main FSR are like. Let's go.
All right, guys, we made it out. We are at, I don't know where we are because we don't live here, but anyways, we are going to air up. We decided to forego making coffee, breakfast, all the things you do in the morning, and we just packed up to head out. We will grab something along the way, and you'll have to come back next week to see where we end up. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. See you then.